guys, welcome back to my channel. I am coming to you today because I am getting ready to dye my hair. Now, I am feeling more comfortable with dyeing my hair because I know that I don't put heat in my hair at all because it is still short. I am not lightening it, therefore I'm not using bleach, I'm not using anything like that, therefore I will be fine. I am going to be dyeing my hair this indigo blue color. Now, I asked a couple of my friends what color would they be interested in seeing me in, and a lot kind of said jet black or black, anything like that, only because I've already done red. I don't feel comfortable doing blonde, at least not on myself. That happened before. I will insert a picture. Yeah, I look the hot mess. But yeah, I'm not going blonde, I'm not doing that. So I decided it's fall, it's Halloween, it would be cute, so I'm gonna go ahead and do this indigo blue. So the thing that I like the most about this is that it can still be professional. Like when I'm going on interviews and stuff or whatever, it will probably look black in a room setting, but you know, when I go outside and I hit that sunlight, it's gonna be bomb. So yeah, I'm gonna go ahead, let's see. Okay, so this is kind of the stuff that comes in the package. I didn't really want to do a voiceover because those get on my nerves. So this is the developer. So you have the developer. So this is the color that's gonna be going inside. This is the blue, I'm assuming. And then you have the oil that you just kind of pinch and put it in there. And it also comes with a Garnier Nutrisse conditioner, but I probably won't use that because I paid a lot of money for a DeVa curl, so I'm probably gonna use that. And well, no, I might use this, and if it doesn't feel like how I am expecting it to feel, then I'll just rinse it out and then I'll just, you know, do what it do. But I am going to mix the stuff together. Basically, does it come with gloves? I hope it comes with gloves. So these are the instructions. I don't really use instructions anymore because it's just box size, pretty much common sense at this point. But if you are a beginner or if you haven't dyed your hair before, then read the instructions. A lot of the things that it tells you to do, I probably won't be doing it. For instance, like oiling or greasing your scalp with that Vaseline or whatever. I'm not doing all that because no. Anywho, so like I said, I'm gonna take the developer and the cream and I'm going to put it in I'm gonna do the mixing, so I'll be back. I don't know how to get this oil open that goes into the mixture, so I'm gonna go grab some scissors and I'm gonna do that. Y'all, like right now I literally look like 12 years old, like braces included. I look like I'm like 12. Alright, so I got it, and now you probably can't see it, but whatever. I'm just squeezing the oil in here. Okay. Alright, where's the lid? Where is the lid? Of course, I put the lid down in the box. Alright, so now we got it all in here and I'm just gonna shake it. Oh, and also, my hair looks like this because I just took my box braids out. I filmed a video on my box braids, but I didn't really care for it because it doesn't look as good as my other box braid video braids did or whatever. I might still post it, might not, I don't know. It just depends on how I'm feeling. This hurt my elbow. Alright, I'm gonna go ahead and do the other one because I'm pretty sure I'm gonna need both. Alright, so now I'm just gonna take this Tangle teaser that I just got from Ulta, and I'm just gonna, you know, detangle. Or not detangle because it's kind of already detangled. I'm just gonna smooth my hair out so when I apply it, it'll be a lot better, or it'll be, you know, distributed evenly. But y'all, look at this growth, honey. Yes! Sooner or later, I'm gonna be able to put this in a bun or a ponytail or something. Alright, first impression of the Tangle teaser. I really like it. Either that or my hair is just really easy to glide through. I think the real test will be when I use this in the shower, and we'll see what it does then. But yeah, I got a lot of shedding. Of course, my hair has been up in braids for a week, so I guess this is decent shedding for it being such a short period of time. If it were more than that, then I think I should be a little concerned. But since it's not, I'm fine. Okay. This is the first time I've ever dyed my hair, like just dyeing it period, with my whole head being curly, so it's kind of weird. It's kind of scaring me with how blue it is, but you know, of course it's not gonna come out that blue, I hope. And if it does, then oh well, oh well. It's my hair, I can do what I want to it, yes! Alright, this is really cool. I really like how blue it's looking on the camera. I like how I have a curl pattern. I love it. I've never done this. Alright, let me move on to the other side. Alright, so I think I pretty much got it all over. Now, this is what it's looking like right now. Probably gonna leave this on for about 30 minutes. And then I'm going to rinse it, style it, and then I will come back to you all. If you are dyeing your hair, try not to get it on your scalp. I usually don't care because, I mean, it rinses out, and then since my hair is natural, I tend to wet it every single day, so it's gonna come off. And then if not, I can always use some, what do you call it, nail polish remover, or some oil. But yeah, this is what it's looking like. Okay. And I will come back when I'm done.
My regrets look just like texts I shouldn't send. And I got neighbors, they're more like strangers, we could be friends. I just need a way out.